What's up, guys? So I'm actually sick today, which kind of sucks because I really shouldn't be doing anything, but I definitely feel like I needed to make some new videos. And the other day my buddy just put a Catless downpipe on his car. He has a 18 WRX and it sounds so good. It really does. It's so loud, but it sounds so good. And I was like, I have a Catless downpipe, but I put that resonated STI Mid pipe on it, so it really isn't loud. So I'm like, you know what I'm going to do today? It's a rainy day, you know, I'm off work, it's a Saturday, you know, I don't feel too good, but whatever, I'm going to get past that. I'm actually going to take off that mid pipe. I'm going to put on just the regular stock WRX mid pipe, so it will be Catless down pipe and basically straight pipe the rest of the way back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down, it's about an hour from me, 45 minutes or so. There's this big parking garage that's usually vacant besides some old like retired police cars and stuff. And I'm going to go up there and I'm going to load up my crackle tune from Phatbotti, and I'm just going to rip up and down that parking garage and try and make as much noise as I can and then get out of there. So I think it'd be a cool video. I'm going to go out and I'm going to switch out this mid pipe and we're going to head up there. Okay, so right over here on the right side we have the stock STI mid pipe. This is what's going to be on your stock. I'm guessing this is just a base model STI, not the not the launch edition or anything like that. They might have a more aggressive exhaust, but this is the stock STI exhaust, and you can see they put the resonator in there, whereas the WRX stock pipe has nothing. So I guess they wanted the WRX to have a little more aggressive sound and thought maybe the STI was deep enough. But I've heard some stock STIs and they are super quiet, and the WRX is much louder, so that's probably what this is about. But yeah, you can see they're the exact same pipe. So now I'm going to switch. I was running this one. We're going to switch back to this one. And I just got to pull this hanger off and switch the gaskets over, and we'll call it a day. Alright guys, so I just got cleaned up. We're ready to take this thing around and see how it sounds. I'm going to load on that Burble tune or the crackle tune, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to see how it sounds. Now I've already done this. I think I did it open downpipe, maybe? I forget how I did it. I think that's what it was. I ran open downpipe for a day or two and ran the crackle map, and oh my god, it's loud. But it definitely always sounds different through a full exhaust, whether it's straight pipe or not. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go up there and see what we can do. Alright guys, this thing is stupid loud. I'm literally just waiting for someone to call the cops and be like, someone's getting shot. I can make this thing pop so persistent it almost sounds like gunfire, so. So here's the little parking garage. I'm gonna go in here somewhere. I'm going to cruise through real quick just to make sure, you know, there's no one in there. And then I'm going to set up the camera somewhere where you can kind of hear me coming around and you can see me. So, yeah, normally in the summertime, I think you have to pay to park here for, like, the activities that go on next door. But around this time of year, with it being this cold and, you know, they're done construction, everything, you know. So nothing should be going on up here, and we can have some fun. Oh my god, that's insane. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. There is someone up here, but I don't know. While I'm up here. Holy fuck. Wow. That's ridiculous. It's probably not even gonna sound as loud inside, because out here it echoes on the walls and like, wow, that's crazy. Well, I got kicked out. Oh well. This cop is following me out now and I can't make it stop popping. She came up and said, "You're not up here hitting stuff, are you?" I was like, "No." I'm sitting here trying to edit this video and I'm like, where is my clip on top of the parking garage? Now I know I took a clip up there. I sat the camera down, I got a good angle, and I took probably about a minute, 2 minute video of me just driving up and down, you know, and around the top of that garage with the crackle map attached. And I got great footage of it. You know, the video was great. You could hear the sounds great. And now I can't find it. So I looked everywhere through my files. I can't find it. I can't recover it. I don't know how it got deleted. But now I don't have it. So I'm going to put in a clip now that I took a few days ago with my fiance over at the mall. We found like an empty parking lot area, and I just kind of did, you know, some of the crackle map in there as well, because since that video I've taken the mid pipe back off, put the resonated mid pipe back on, all that stuff. So I'll put that clip in now. Also, if you've noticed, the parking garage did have cop cars in there. That's because they do park their spare police cars in there. But like I said before, I've been in there so many times and I've never seen anyone come in or out of that place. But, you know, just a bad day, I guess. Just an unlucky day to be up there. So I guess I'll put that video in now, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.